Okay, hello again, guys, with another question. This is another request was made by Al Mahdi, and this question I'm gonna make sure to make it clear to you. This is a problem related to similar shapes or similarities. The thing is that he's talking about some sort of a shape, okay, and another shape that is similar to it. The given information is like this. It's giving that the height of this shape is 10 centimeter, while this shape has a height of 15 centimeter. Saying that the difference, this is a given information, the difference between the vase A and vase B is equal to what? Equal to 1197 centimeter cube. This is the difference between the volumes, okay? The V, or the volume of both of them. So I have two certain dimensions. I have one of them in 3D concept, which is the volume, and I have another form of information that is related to the linear scale of the shape. He wants you to do what? He wants to know the volume of the vase A. He wants to know the volume, the total volume of this VA. We're gonna refer to it as VA. He wants to know VA. So how you can solve it right now? If you remember when we talked about similar shapes and similarity, we referred to the idea that we need to be familiar with the scale factor, the linear scale factor, or the area scale factor, or the volume scale factor. And to be able to do that, you need to use what we have in front of you. Since I am dealing with a linear 10 and 15, 10 and 15, they are talking about the linear dimension of both of them. So we can figure out K. K is gonna be the relation between both of them. So I'm gonna say that K is gonna be equal, or which is gonna be referred to it as K. I refer to it as the linear scale factor. Is gonna be equal to what? It's gonna be equal to the height of vase A over the height of vase B, which means that it's going to be equal to 10 over 15, and when I'm going to use what I know, it's going to be equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so this is representing K, 2 over 3. Now I'm gonna use this fact to enable me to, I'm gonna use the other information now. The other information is saying that the volume V of A, if you notice, I need you to pay attention to this, okay? The shape that is bigger than the other is B. B is bigger, okay? And since we are talking about a positive, talking about a difference, it means that we need to measure, this is representing what difference, this is representing VB minus VA, if you understand what I'm talking about. Since it's positive, we cannot have a positive volume unless we subtract it, or the difference is going to be between the larger minus the smaller, okay? So pay attention to that. So volume of B minus volume of A is going to be equal to 1197. Now what do I do with this? What you can do right now, you can say that the K, since we are dealing with volume, you can find out K square, and from K square you can find out k cube. K squared is going to be what? It's going to be equal to 2 over 3 squared. Means that's going to be equal to 4 over 9. And now the k cube is going to be equal to 4 over 9. Oh, sorry. From that, we can, I mean, since we're not dealing with an area, you can go directly to the k squared. Also pay attention to the idea that we don't have anything related to the square, to the area. So we just do the k cube directly. So 2 over 3 to the power of 3. So this is going to be equal to what? It's going to be equal to 8 over 27. Okay, so this is going to be my k cube, 8 over 27. Now what we need to do is to use this information in our side. You do know that the k squared, you know that the k cube is a result of what? Because k here is a result of what? Is a result of height of A over height of B, right? Here it's representing the ratio between the volumes. So it's going to be the ratio of volume A over volume B, which is going to be equal to 8 over 27. Now, since we need to figure out the value of volume of A, this is going to be my first equation, and this is going to be my second equation. So I need to build a relation, and I need to use expressions in where the volume of A is the subject. So I'm going to say here that this equation can become what? Can become volume of A is going to be equal to 1197 minus VB, right? Now I need to build a relation between these two equations, and this equation is going to be converted into a certain way where I have VB as a subject. So the VB over the VA, I can flip them, it's going to be equal to 27 over 8. It means that the VB is going to be equal to 8 over 27 multiplied by VA. Now I'm going to use this, and I build my relation with this one. So the VA is going to be equal to 1197 minus what? Minus 2 over 27 over 8 multiplied in VA. Now I need to get this into this side. So it's going to be equal to 27 over 8 VA plus VA equal to 1197. I'm gonna unify the denominators, so I'm gonna multiply both of them in 8. So I'm gonna have my numerator as, I'm gonna multiply this in 8 over 8. So it's gonna be 3, 5 over 8 VA equals 1197. So the equation is like this: 35 VA over 8 is going to be equal to 1197. I'm going to multiply both sides in 8. So the 35 VA is going to be equal to, I'm going to do a quick calculation. It's going to be equal to 1197 multiplied than 8. Means that the 35 VA is going to be equal to 9576. So the VA is going to be equal to that amount divided by 35, which means it's going to be equal to 273.6. I'm going to round it to 274 centimeter cube, and that is your answer. That's it, and see you in another video inshallah.